Here is how I made 10 liters luxurious multipurpose liquid soap for my personal use.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Margaret, and over here I share creator tips, CapCut tutorial, and a relatable lifestyle moment as a content creator living here in Nigeria. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made my luxury multipurpose liquid soap for my personal use. This will not only save you money, it's going to help you get the consistency you like in your liquid soap. So let's get started. Let's quickly run through the chemicals we'll be using for this production and their functions. Understanding this will help you get a better result when you make your own soap. 100 grams of Nitrosol. This is our thickener, and it also helps give the soap that smooth and jelly-like body feel. 250 ml of sulphonic acid. This is the main detergent base. It is very powerful for removing stains and grease. 200 grams of Texapon. This is a foaming agent that also makes the soap gentle on the skin. 250 grams of SLS. SLS is also a foaming and cleaning agent that helps remove dirt and oil. 100 grams of soda ash, which help with cleaning, balancing pH, and improving thickness of the soap. 100 grams of STPP. This is a water softener that boosts the cleaning power of the soap. 70 ml of foam booster. This increases and stabilizes foam so your soap lathers so well. 40 ml of glycerin. This makes the soap gentle on the hand and also add a silky shine. 10 ml of preservative. This helps keep the soap from spoiling over time. Perfume for fragrance and color for sight appeal. And 10 liters of water. These are our main medium of dissolving all the chemicals to make it 10 liters. Now that you've seen all the ingredients, let's start with the production of the soap. I'm going to add 2 liters of water into this bowl to mix our Nitrosol. As I'm pouring, I am stirring. Mix until it's fully dissolved. So I'm going to pour in my STPP. Remember to always turn as you are pouring. So I'm going to set this aside to fully dissolve in the soda ash. Turn to dissolve it, then set aside. Next is SLS. Turn. Set aside for it to dissolve. Next, we'll be pouring in our sulphonic acid and Texapon in a container and mix both of them together. You see, our sulphonic acid and Texapon is not looking like. Please don't make the mistake of dissolving your Texapon in water or your sulphonic in water or adding water to this mixture. It's going to kick up. Please don't do that. Now all the chemicals are fully dissolved. Let's start pouring them in one after the other. First, I'm going to pour in the STTP. As you're pouring, please be turning. Next, I'll go in with my soda ash. As you're pouring, you're turning, baby. Next, I'll pour in SLS. Next is sulphonic acid and Texapon. Mix thoroughly, mix very well. Next, I'll pour in the foam booster. At this point, you need to start turning gently to avoid too much foam popping up. Next, I'll pour in my glycerin, preservative, fragrance. This smells so good. So next, I'm going to go in with the color.
And guys, our multipurpose liquid soap is ready. Leave this to sit overnight and start using it.
Thank you for watching. I bet now you know how to make multipurpose liquid soap, either for personal use or for small business. Please do well to share this video to a friend, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.